Hello and welcome to English Unleashed, where we help you become more confident and fluent in English by making learning English easy and fun. I'm Tom, and today I will show you 5 simple habits that will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. These habits require only a few minutes each day, so even if you are busy, you can still make progress in your English. And don't worry, they're super easy to do. So let's start with habit number 1. Habit No. 1. Listen to English every day. Listening to English every day will help you develop your listening skills, improve your pronunciation, and expand your vocabulary. You don't need to spend hours listening. Just 10 to 15 minutes each day is enough to see improvement over time. You can listen to podcasts, songs, or short stories. The most important thing is to expose yourself to natural English as much as possible. When you listen to English, pay attention to the rhythm and intonation of the language. This will help you speak more naturally and confidently. You don't need to understand every single word when you listen. If you understand 70 to 80% of what is being said, that's great. Your brain will slowly get used to the rhythm of English, and this will make it easier for you to speak. Personally, I love listening to English songs when I have free time. It's a fun way to learn new words and phrases. So habit note 1 is to listen to English every day. It's an essential step towards speaking English more naturally and confidently. Now let's move on to habit No. 2, which is shadowing. Habit No. 2, shadow what you hear. Shadowing is a technique used by many language learners to improve their pronunciation and fluency. It involves repeating sentences or phrases immediately after hearing them. This helps you mimic the rhythm, stress, and intonation of the language. To do this effectively, find a podcast episode or YouTube video with clear audio. Start by listening to a short segment, then repeat it. As you listen and repeat, pay attention to the speaker's pronunciation and try to match it. For example, if the speaker says, "I love eating pizza," you would repeat, "I love eating pizza." Then move on to the next segment and repeat the process. As you continue to shadow the speaker, you'll begin to pick up their intonation and stress patterns. This will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. It's also a great way to improve your pronunciation. By imitating the sounds and rhythms of English, you'll be able to speak more fluently and confidently. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Just keep practicing and you'll gradually improve. So remember, habit No. 2 is shadow what you hear. It's an effective technique to improve your pronunciation and fluency in English. Now let's move on to habit No. 3, think in English. Thinking in English is an important step towards becoming fluent in the language. It allows you to express yourself more accurately and naturally. To start thinking in English, begin by forming basic thoughts in your mind throughout the day. For instance, if you're drinking a cup of coffee, think to yourself, "I am drinking coffee." Or if you notice that the sky is blue, think, "The sky is blue." As these thoughts become more natural, try saying them out loud but quietly. This will train your brain to connect directly to English instead of translating from your native language. As you continue to practice, more complex thoughts and sentences will come easily. Remember, thinking in English doesn't mean you have to speak it out loud. It's simply about forming thoughts and ideas in your mind using English words. With practice, you'll be able to think in English more quickly and accurately, which will lead to more natural and confident conversations. So remember, habit No. 3 is to think in English. It's a powerful tool for improving your fluency and confidence in the language. Now let's move on to habit No. 4, which is reading aloud. Reading aloud is a great way to improve your English speaking skills. It helps you focus on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, all of which are crucial for sounding natural when you speak. To do this effectively, find a short text or dialogue from a podcast. Begin by reading it slowly and carefully. As you read, focus on the pronunciation of each word. Try to match the intonation and rhythm of the text. Once you've read the text a few times, increase your speed and read it with more expression. This will help you read more fluently and naturally. You can also try reading aloud while listening to the original audio. This will allow you to hear how a native speaker reads the text, and you can adjust your pronunciation accordingly. Reading aloud is an excellent way to improve your spoken English. It helps you focus on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, all of which are crucial for sounding natural when you speak. So remember, habit no. 4 is to read aloud. It's a simple but effective way to improve your fluency and confidence in English. Finally, let's discuss habit no. 5, which is using English in daily life. Using English in everyday activities is a great way to practice your speaking skills and improve your fluency. It allows you to use English in a natural and relaxed setting, which can help you feel more comfortable and confident when speaking. Here are some simple ways to incorporate English into your daily routine. Change the language settings on your phone and social media accounts to English. This will expose you to English on a daily basis and allow you to practice using English for simple tasks. Keep a short diary or journal in English. Writing in English can help you express your thoughts and ideas in the language and can improve your vocabulary and grammar. Record a 1-minute voice message in English every day. This is a great way to practice speaking English and to track your progress over time. You can also use voice recognition software to check your pronunciation and receive feedback. Engage in online communities or forums in English. This can help you practice your writing skills and expose you to different English accents and dialects. Participate in language exchange programs or conversation groups. These are great opportunities to practice speaking English with other learners and native speakers. Remember, consistency is key. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of practice each day can make a big difference over time. Incorporating English into your daily life doesn't have to be overwhelming. By breaking it down into small, manageable tasks, you can make steady progress towards becoming a more confident and fluent English speaker. So remember, habit no. 5 is to use English in daily life. It's a simple yet effective way to practice and improve your English speaking skills. That's it. These are our 5 simple habits that will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we encourage you to start practicing these habits today. Even if you're busy, just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect to become fluent overnight, but with regular practice, you'll gradually improve. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. We'd love to have you join our community of English learners, and we promise to see you next time. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning. Bye.